I want the shaky markets. The gold is from today. It's like
It's
moving. I want the quick moving
the
one.
volatile ones.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so we are now here with Glenn, one of the participants in the trading competition. Glenn, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Good,
You?
good. We're just going to ask a few questions about your trading, if you don't mind. So how long have you been trading for?
It's almost 1 year. I do my trade. 1 year. It's
Okay.
almost 1 year.
And what markets do you trade?
What do you mean?
What assets do you
Assets.
trade?
I do gold always. I do gold.
Do you know everyone that's coming here has said that?
Yeah, I do gold. Yeah, because I want the shaky markets. The gold is from today. It's like
It's a
moving. I want the quick moving
The
one.
volatile ones.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you're just gold, nothing else.
I try some currencies.
Yeah.
But I just go back to gold.
Okay.
Most
So
of
you've
the
been trading for 1 year.
Yeah.
Could you, if you don't mind, let us in to the sort of technical analysis that you use, without giving away your strategy, of course. I'm sure you don't want to do that. What technical analysis do you use to trade?
Actually, that question is what I want to learn.
Right.
I just brave enough to fight this. I just brave enough to do the trading.
There's nothing wrong with that. So it's just pure passion. There's nothing else. Yeah.
I'm ready to lose. I'm ready to win.
That's a very unique way of approaching it. Have you found success doing that?
I do, but I do also.
You have big days of winning and big days of losing.
Yes. Like for me, when I think about trading, I tried it once. I just saw some YouTube. Most of the time we search in YouTube. I always search some interesting like topics or like in tradings. So I try, and then when I start on the minimum, first I lose. It's fine. It's first time. Second time, I lose. No problem. Third time, I win a bit. Then I will try like more.
Mm.
So I tried again. And I won big time. In just 2 hours, $800. $800.
2 hours.
It's
of trade.
fine.
Amazing.
$800. So for me, $800, oh, it's nice. Then after a week, another 2 hours, $8,000. So
Profit.
yeah.
Wow.
So for me, it's a game changer. So even if I lose most of the time, because this $8,000, I lost it in just 30 minutes. So lesson is like control, discipline, but I don't have it.
No, but you're going to be learning that, right?
I don't have it. Like for example, because I'm new, like.
So would that be your message to new traders out there?
Yeah, for me, better if you learn first.
Yeah.
Because not everyone can have a heart to accept big loss.
Of course.
So
Okay. Brilliant.
better to learn.
Okay, amazing. So we're just going to do like a little bit of a game, a quick fire questions, right? So the sort of the first thought that comes into your head when I ask these questions, okay? So if you could describe trading in one word, what would it be?
Game changer.
Game changer in terms of your freedom and how.
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, what is the one thing? Oh, you might already know the answer to this. What's the one thing that you wish you knew before you started trading?
I wish I studied and learned properly, because the money that I lost is not a joke.
Mm.
Like,
But you won't be the only one. No, who watches this video? You won't be the only one who's, started without learning and lost money. That's pretty much how most people get into this industry. So it's important you say to learn education first, courses, mentorship, that sort of thing, before you do anything.
Yeah, for me, like if someone can like hear about this one, better to invest knowledge first before you invest in real battle.
Of course. Okay, so you've even spoken about, you've had losses in the past. I'm a trader myself, so we've all had losses as traders. How do you, because I'm sure this is a unique answer to you, how do you personally deal with losses on your account? Is there a routine that you have? Is there a particular thing that you do?
Maybe because of our culture that I've been raised in, how can I say it, it's legal or what, because in Philippines, like gambling is normal,
Yes.
and like it's a passion on in my city, these chicken fights. So losing is, if I lose now, tomorrow I win.
So you don't have any emotional attachment to losing,
No,
and that's a good attitude to have.
because like what I said, when you lose now, you can't lose forever.
Yeah.
So the important is when you lose, you learn. That is the most important one. Then maybe tomorrow, from your learning,
So you learn from your losses. That's essentially what you do. You don't treat them. You don't get emotional about them, but you actually
No.
treat them as lessons.
if you treat losing very emotional, then stop trading.
Nah. Okay.
Better.
Let's see if we've got any other questions here for you. You've already answered what your biggest trade is, right? So your biggest trade
Yeah.
was
My biggest trade is from $200 to $8,000
in 2 hours of trading
in 2 hours.
with no technical analysis.
No.
Just that. Brilliant. Okay, cool. I think that just about wraps it up in terms of the questions. So, we really appreciate having you on with us, and yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Top man. Thanks, Glenn.